Peace. The man with the Datsun traded up. I think it's pretty sweet. Hey, what is up, guys? We are getting in the purple truck right now. We just did a ton of maintenance to it, and we are going to be heading over to a car meet because it's beautiful out right now on this nice Friday evening. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Ooh. Good start to the meet. I'm wiping down the truck now, and Kevin's already piecing, but listen to this thing. There will be a one-on-one video coming up this summer on this truck, so stay tuned. Guys, in all my years of the car scene, I've never seen this car. I've only heard about it. And all the kids are already freaking out about it. Ooh, beautiful. Cool little starter clip. Evan's Miata on this side. We got the purple truck over here, and Mike pulled up in his Toyota Supra. I'm taking videos of them taking photos of him taking photos. It's a good good vid. Also, wanted to show you guys. Ooh, our friend just showed up and just installed this really sick carbon fiber hood scoop on his Subaru, and the canards, which I think looks amazing. There goes the Cressida. Another Miata rolling through. Another Miata rolling through. He just did a little roof spoiler. Looking sick. I'm loving this 0.5 filming. Gonna start doing more vids like this.
They told him that he could do like video making.
There's a valve cover in here.
He works from all the hours that they're open.
Full sub setup for anybody who hasn't seen the truck. Still working on what's in there, so we'll come back to that. Colby brought his car. Got some new fenders and a new hood, or new bumper. So that's his motivation to wrap the car. Oh, I love the color on this. Walk down this thing real quick. I like it. It's clean. Nate's Audi A8 over here. Yeah, I'm loving this filming style. I like this actually since last time we showed this on the channel. He added this little duck clip, which is sick. Lex got her new tires. Showed that in another video. Still waiting on that taillight though. Can't wait for that to come in. This is another sick truck too. This may have been shown way earlier, but it's swapped owners and he's at his own wheels, which looks so much more sick. Actually, I had tri-fans, so both look pretty sick. And right in here, love the gold and white steering wheel. The STI swap Forester. Woo! Y'all gotta let me know if you like this film style. I love it. Focus RS, nice. I'm sad Carrie's RS no longer existed because I wanted to make a video on that so bad. Well, scared me. Oh, I love this Miata.
They didn't hear me.
I hear this kid's got air. Let's see his air. Ooh. That's what I like to see. What's up, man? New whip, who dis? I missed like half the meat on camera, but still cool, Excited for the summer nights to kick back in and just hang out with all the homies in their cars, but I'll throw this into a video somewhere. There goes the Ranger on the tri-fans. Woo, love that. Little bag GLI. Hey, yeah, he was just stunting on us for that one. Nice. Well, I guess that wraps up this car meet. See you guys in a few. So we are hanging out at the Kamai Festival that's happening down here at Riverbank Park. It is the Kamai New Year celebration, but I wanted to show you guys this beautiful 3000 GT. This thing is pretty sick to just see out in the wild. But yeah, there's quite a few really sick cars around here. We are going to go enjoy the festival, grab some food, but had to show you guys some of the sick cars. I do gotta say though, this is a pretty sick like walk right here, all alongside the river. Like I said, we brought Lex's truck back there, so excited to go see what's here. All right, guys, over here we got our friend Fern's S2000, beautiful yellow. wanted to come grab a clip of this. There's actually a couple sweet, it's mainly Hondas that we see here today. But they all look so sick. And right over here is the 8th gen Civic SI. I'm loving the wheels on this thing. So sick, dude. And right across the street is their dad's Civic Type R on some work wheels. Just stopped by the festival, grabbed some food. It was great, per usual. And there's a bunch of dancing going on out there. But we're gonna head back to the house now to go work on the truck some more. Well, had a little bit of a cruising night kind of thing. And Carrie's got his 180 SX. I brought out the little hoopty lowrider build. Always the hardest video to make. Man, you guys can't see it, so I'll show you in the morning. But that is update on the Monte Carlo. My little brother's at a friend's house last night, and somebody backed into this John. Man, that is rough. So next step is seeing what insurance wants to do. I'll keep you all posted. New day, bunch of people pulling up to the meet. Everybody's rolling in hard right now. There is so much stuff rolling in all at once. We got Big Bird. Man's head fits over the roof line. What's up, boys? Ooh, yeah, I know. I feel like that's disrespectful. Yeah, it might be. Yeah, I respect Trey, not Ava. No, I'm just kidding. I like that little TSX. Sorry, it's a TSX. That's sick. Gotta showcase a little bit of the truck. And sorry, I gotta out it one more time. She's on the come up. She's on the come up, boys. Oh yeah. Got a sweet little Fox bar that rolled in. Ooh. I need me this carpet in my bed. Not the carpet I got.
I don't know if my Honda should be parked in between a vehicle.
Oh, that's sick. I like the wagon. What
It's out of place. It's nice.
The wing is actually pretty sick. I like the wing.
We just put it on today.
Ooh.
Yeah, because he has that.
The Subi. Oh, the Forester. I like this. Here's Lex now. Hey, yo. These student drivers getting wild. That's sick. We're just out cruising around right now doing some more fuel mapping, and someone pulled up in a Toyota X-Runner. Dude, those things are so sick. I feel like I never see them now. And make fun of me, but I just learned you can get like these milkshakes made at the gas station. I don't know, man. Maine's behind. We're behind on the time. All right, guys, I got a pretty exciting clip for you right now. So we're coming over here. Alberto just got some new wheels for a Civic Type R FK8, and he needed some skinnier lug nuts. And since I did the knockoff wheel conversion on the black truck, I had some spare lug nuts. So let's hope these fit. The lug nuts I had, the internet lied, they didn't fit. His studs are a lot thicker than the hard bodies, so that was not a dub. But they got some, which is a good thing. So goodbye to the stocks. All right, guys, we've gotten some spline lug nuts that fit these wheels very well. And so excited to see this car on the ground. We had to make some trips to go get these, and got very lucky, so I'm hyped. Bam, that's how it looks on the lift. What's pretty sick is from factory, this car has a little bit of a lean, and they just added some tine/teen, however you want to call it, coils in here as well. So you guys are in for a real treat when we put this car on the ground. And the other coils sit right up here. Oh, these are gonna look so good. I'm super hyped. They sent him the red sticker, matches the red caliper, the red line. Oh, that is so gas. We got the car here, she's about to go on the ground. These are the stock wheels. So just by adding the new Race TE37 SLs, I think they're called, he shaves 40 pounds off his car instantly. But here are the stock wheels. We're gonna go throw them in the truck. Yeah, this is a quick look at the cords. Moment of truth. Oh, that's sick. Can't wait for it to move. It's gonna sink down a little bit more. That fitment in the front is looking great. right, guys, here she is. It's a little hard to see in the dark right now, but you got to see plenty of clips of it while we were rolling around. Look at these things. This is nuts. What? Yo, big height. Like, this is crazy. This changes the car, changes the game entirely. Those white wheels really make it stand out. The red accents are perfect. Like, man, that is a fire wheel choice.
I was like hype about getting the highlight color. And then when I opened the box, I was like, yo, red, sick. Like,
Yeah.
completely fine with it.
This is crazy. Well, guess that's a perfect way to finish off this vid. Hey, what is up, everybody? Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you want to see some more Minitruck / car content, this was just a good vlog style video for you guys of some of the stuff we've had going on right before the car season. But if you want to see some more content on this truck specifically, go follow me on Instagram at Japanese Minitruck and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you thought of the video, and thanks for watching.